Welcome back to the Wilcox Charge. Today we got the microKorg synthesizer vocoder thing, it's got piano stuff. Ooh, look at all this. We got, it's just the actual thing. It's like silver. Oh, ooh, fancy.
Obviously it's gonna be the MIDI keyboard.
Oh, this is nice and smooth.
Yes,
Doc,
sir.
get in here. You wanted this. Get in here.
It's your birthday present. And feels
For
like
the
you're-
turtles.
How dare you make me do it?
Manual.
You guys?
Roman, come back here.
No, I was out of frame.
I don't. Yeah, come back inside. I'm saying come into the frame. That's the whole point. All right, we got the something. We don't need these. We do need that very much. We need that very much. Let's see what it says about setup.
I'll read that. So it says function de mise.
These are all different modes.
Tension automatic. Is this Spanish?
Hey, Doc.
Oh.
Doc, come here and try to break that down.
Yeah, you break it down.
Ooh,
So,
languages.
first of all, we have some precautions so you don't screw anything up. So location, using
Nazi
the unit
language.
in the following
Language of the
locations can result in a malfunction. So make sure you don't use it in
What
direct
would we
sunlight. Location.
Outro. Outro.
Anyways, thank you for watching our unboxing video. Until then, can I sit down?
Yes, sir.
And until then, we'll see you next time.